Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. Managing customer information efficiently is the backbone of any successful business. In this video, I'll show you how to manage contacts and customers in Odoo 19, from creating records to organizing and using them across modules. Very first thing, what is the contacts? So, in Odoo 19, the contacts module acts like a centralized database for all your customers, vendors, and even partners. So, it is going to help you to organize and store and access all the contact details in one place. So, this is the contacts module. Once you open it, you can see a list of all the existing contacts. Okay. Next step is to create a customer or a contact. So you can simply click on new over here, which will open this creation page. Okay, you can simply write the name of the uh, contact, the email, phone number, and the address can be specified over here. So if it's a customer, okay, you can also assign tags and salesperson to better organize your contacts. So it can either be an individual or a company. Okay, so if it's a company, then I'll just give it as ABC Private Limited. And then here you can specify an email for the contact. So as I said before, this can either be a person or a company. Okay, so let it be ABC Street. Now I've already chosen this company over here. Then you have another thing called contacts. So if you are creating a person or a company, you can toggle between this individual and the company. So for companies, you can also add multiple contacts under the same organization. So simply click on add contact. Okay. So if you want to add someone under this company, then simply click on contact, give the name, give the job role. The role is sales manager. Save and close it. So this is how a contact can be added corresponding to a company. Okay, again, if you want to add contact, click on add. It can be a contact, an invoice address, delivery address, or even other addresses. Okay, so that's how you add multiple contacts under a same contact or a company. So you can do this, do exactly the same for a person also. You can add multiple contacts. Okay, so here I'm adding another contact. Let it be Brandon. And let it be an invoice. It can be an invoice address, so let it be a contact itself, and I'm saving and closing it. See, right now we have added two and it doesn't have a count. You can add multiple contacts for a specific company. Okay, so this is going to help you to manage your relationship with a company or within a company. Okay, then comes the tags and the categorization. So you can categorize contacts using tags. So you can add tags like VIP, supplier, retail customer, and all those things. So if you click on search more, you will see all the tags over here. So I'll simply put as consulting services, which is simply a tag for easy identification. So this makes it easy to filter and search for the contacts. So if you simply search for consulting, this company appears. Okay, next you have a thing called integration. Now I'll simply save this. Okay, now a contact has been created, which is called ABC company. Okay, so contacts are fully integrated with other Odoo modules. So if you go on to, I'm going to the sales module, and if you create a new quotation, here you can add the customer. So here you can see the ABC Private Limited that you have created. The customer is coming under that. So I'll put Brandon as the customer. Okay, so you can create the invoice and all with the customer auto filled from that of the customer that we have created in the contact. So once a contact is created, you can use it across the sales, purchase, accounting, and all such things. And even you can search it. Okay, so if you go on here and search, like if we have created one, then it will come. Okay, ABC, then you can see that over here. Okay, so if you have created anything using that particular customer that you are searching, then you can get that from here. So if I simply search for Azure, which is a customer, you can see all the quotations that have come where this person is involved. Okay, then if you take a real example, like a retail company stores all customer details in Odoo. When a customer places an order, the information is automatically fetched, which is going to save a lot of your time and improve your accuracy. So here are some pro tips for y'all. You have to keep your contact data updated, use tags for segmentation, and assign salesperson for accountability, and also avoid the duplicate records. So that's how you manage contacts and customers in Odoo 19. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.